Hello and welcome to Interior Essentials. I am Dhwani Dattani, design curator at Abir Pothi. With added time and intention behind the details, episode 3 is now ready to be explored. Trust us, it's worth the wait. This episode has been carefully curated and thoughtfully designed just for you. So stay tuned and explore these incredible brands with us. We help you make your space shine and turn your home into a soulful place. Today, we bring you 4 amazing brands in design and lifestyle. Timex Ceramic, redefining surfaces with exquisite ceramic finishes. Wood Cluster, where handcrafted wood furniture becomes art. Mangalya Handicrafts, celebrating traditional Indian craftsmanship. And Prisha Illumination, lighting that transforms spaces with brilliance. Meet Wood Cluster, where world of wood becomes art, where nature, craft and imagination comes together. Founded by Nikita Bhati. Here, every piece is touched by hand, shaped with patience, perfected with love, from tables to beds, from consoles to sofas, from larger projects such as hotels and villas to cafes and home furniture. Wood Cluster creates furniture that feels alive. Look at the grain, see the texture. No two pieces are ever the same. They're artisans, masters of their craft. Cut, join, polish, refine. Every joint is aligned, every edge is smooth. Every surface is glowing with natural warmth. Wood Cluster believes in timelessness. Furniture that ages beautifully. Furniture that carries stories. Furniture that becomes part of your home's soul. When you bring home a Wood Cluster piece, you bring home craftsmanship. You bring home nature. You bring home art. This is Wood Cluster. Handmade, heart-made, and always unique. Welcome to Timex Ceramics, a brand that transforms surfaces into style statements. From Mumbai, Timex Ceramic, being one of the largest importers of ceramic tiles, it brings innovation, quality, and bold design together. Their tiles are more than materials. They are moods, textures, stories printed on stone. Look at the finishes: matte, glossy, marble, stone, concrete. Every surface is crafted to elevate modern interiors. Their tiles are strong, durable, and rich in detail. Tiles that look luxurious and stay beautiful for years. Whether it's floors, walls, kitchens, or bathrooms, Timex has a design for every dream. Large formats for grand spaces, elegant patterns for intimate corners, colors that inspire, textures that define. With Timex Ceramic, your space becomes a canvas and you become the designer. Timex Ceramic, where innovation meets imagination. Step into the world of Mangalya Handicrafts, a celebration of India's artistry. Here, every product is handmade. Here, heritage, luxury, and human artistry come together. For over 35 years, from their family studio in Kanjari, Mangalya has been crafting entirely handmade terracotta and ceramic creations, shaped slowly and intentionally by skilled artisans. Led by inspiring mother-daughter duo Indiraben Shah and Parul Dhruva, the studio stands as a living legacy of devotion and design. At 87, Indiraben remains the guiding spirit, deeply involved and committed to uplifting rural artisans, while Parul Dhruva carries the legacy forward with refined design sensibility and contemporary vision. From elegant pots to large sculptural planters rising up to 5 feet tall, each piece celebrates natural variation, traditional techniques, and the precision of human touch. Mangalya also creates bespoke customized pieces, working closely with architects and designers to shape form that respond to space, scale, and intent. Mangalya believes in handcrafted art, brings warmth into spaces and meaning into life. Bring home a piece of heritage. Bring home Mangalya handicraft. Welcome to Prisha Illumination, a world where lighting becomes poetry. Here, lights do more than just brighten a room. They shape mood, they sculpt space, they elevate design, from decorative fixtures to custom installations. Prisha creates lighting that transforms interiors. Each piece is crafted with precision. Smooth curves, clean edges, brilliant finishes. The designers understand one truth: light is emotion, warm light comforts, cool light energizes, soft light calms, bold light inspires. Prisha Illumination blends technology with artistry to create fixtures that shines with purpose. And that brings us to the end of episode 3 of Interior Essential. What a journey it has been. Today, we explored 4 incredible brands, each one adding its own magic to the world of interiors. Timex Ceramic, redefining surfaces with bold, modern design. Wood Cluster, with its soulful, handcrafted furniture. Mangalya Handicraft, keeping India's heritage alive through pottery. And Prisha Illumination, shaping spaces with beauty of light. Together, they show us how craft, creativity, and passion can transform any space into something meaningful, into something beautiful, something truly yours. Thank you for staying with us, and thank you for your patience while we crafted this special episode. Your support inspires us to bring the story that matter, stories that help you imagine, create, and elevate your home. We will be back soon with more brands, with more ideas and inspiration from the world of interiors. Until then, stay tuned.